Get ready to be delighted with this coffee recipe. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best coffee recipes and delightful creations. In today's video, we have a treat for all the coffee lovers out there, a delicious and refreshing coffee delight recipe. Get ready to indulge in a delightful blend of coffee, chocolate, and creamy goodness. Let's jump right in. Ingredients: 2 cups brewed coffee, strong and preferably chilled. 1 cup milk. 4 tablespoons chocolate syrup. 2 tablespoons sugar, adjust to taste. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Ice cubes. Whipped cream, optional. Cocoa powder or chocolate shavings, for garnish. Instructions. Do you want something that truly stands out and captures the essence of the spooky season? Well, look no further. Introducing the Halloween coffee cup, will send shivers down your spine and leave you craving for more. Prepare to be enchanted by the captivating gothic girl who effortlessly blends magic, mystery, and coffee into a spine-tingling experience. Watch as the girl, with her striking red eyes, sips her favorite hot beverage, transporting you to a realm where darkness meets beauty. Feel the goosebumps rise on your skin as you witness the enchanting contrast between her dark attire and the vibrant nature surrounding her. Experience the perfect blend of happiness and Halloween vibes, as you join our gothic girl on a journey through the eerie ambiance of the season. Let the lush green grass and the mysterious atmosphere cast their spell on you, leaving you mesmerized and craving for more. Link in description: https://tinyurl.com/HalloweenCup2023. In a blender, combine the chilled brewed coffee, milk, chocolate syrup, sugar, and vanilla extract. Blend until well combined and frothy. Fill a tall glass with ice cubes. Pour the blended coffee mixture over the ice cubes, leaving some space at the top. If desired, top the coffee delight with a dollop of whipped cream. Sprinkle some cocoa powder or chocolate shavings on top of the whipped cream for garnish. Serve immediately with a straw or a long spoon. Thank you for joining us in this coffee-filled adventure. We hope you enjoyed this coffee delight recipe and that it brought a smile to your face. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more coffee-inspired recipes and delightful treats. And remember, life is too short for bad coffee. Until next time, stay caffeinated and keep delighting in the world of coffee. Cheers! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.